So friends, today we are going to learn in JavaScript objects and arrays. So let's start. First of all, we are create an array. So array in JavaScript. In arrays we can arrays are combination of different kinds of things such like that. In arrays we can combine them to store them things in such like that, strings, booleans, and numbers, etc. So first of all we have to make an variable array whose name array, and this symbol is represent an array. So first of all we store a string whose name development, and second thing is configuration, and third is any other name. You can store anything, or here you can store such like that, a name for a person. So Drew, here we can Dale, and here we need to store a number 22, here 22, etc. So these are arrays. Let's to show in console.log. Control S, then we move to Control S or terminal. Node JS. Here you can see that our store things showing. They are showing. So console.log. Now we learn how to access these stored things. I want to access of the anything in array. So if I put here, first of all we need to array and then array bracket, and then we put 0. If we put 0, then we get first index number. It consists of index number. This is first index number, and this is 0 index, and this is second, and this is third, this is fourth, because arrays consist of index numbers. So these consist of index numbers. These started from 0 index number and so on. So 0 index number, let's start node index.js. So here is a problem. Node index.js. Oh no, I don't save it. Node index.js. What the hell is this? No, save it. Sorry. Again, Control S, and then it will save. Node index.js. You can see there our first index development became um, so next we want to third index number third. Here our third index is 0 0 1 2 3. This is that is a number is our third index. So node index.js, sorry I forget to node index.js. You can see there is that is our number became. So I hope you enjoy this video. You have to enjoy. You are enjoying this video, so and now we are begin to start objects in JavaScript. So first of all we create an object, let obj, and then curly braces for objects. We are always use curly braces for objects, and then the first property in Java in objects we can include include properties in object. So let's first add to first property name Dale, then second property, and then each property you need to write this thing, and then after you need to write the another property if you want. So let's start. Other property is our age, and now age and then you can see I also write this thing comma such like that after each property. So and then I also write another property whose name I first name, and then I also give it second name Kyun, and here you can see if I don't write comma each property, then we get an error. So we also need to write this. After this I want to write another property whose name study beautiful. Oh no, that's fun, thank you. And then if I want to get all of these properties, so I also write console log obj object whose name. You can do any other to give it any other name, or x y, because it's only a variable. You can change name of any or any variable. So let's start and Control S, then save it, and then open our terminal node index.js. You can see I want to comment it, and then we can Control S, save it, and then after saving you write no index.js. You can see here we get all of the properties: whole name, first name Dale, second name Kiernan, age 22. Very beautiful. So thanks for seeing this. After this, I also, if you want to get any of the any one property from object, you can access this such like data way. Dot age control s, you can here node index.js, you can see here 22. And after, if you want to get another property, study control s, and here node index.js, you can see here beautiful. So the main reason is that you can access any property, any one property to the array and objects such like that. So you can access all of properties. Here I want to access first name node index.js, beautiful. Sorry, I can't save it. Node index.js, sorry, node index.js Dale, you can see. So it is so beautiful. I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.